Hey guys, welcome back. Just give me a few seconds. I just need to start live streaming like I normally do. Okay guys, we're live. So yeah, welcome back to another top tech tutorials video, guys. So today we are doing, this is part 1 of our Discord. So we're just gonna be figuring out Discord today. So I'm gonna do in the future how to create servers, blah blah blah. It's pretty easy to figure out that kind of stuff. But today, basically, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be setting up how to add bots to Discord servers. It's not as hard as it looks. We will get into more complicated bot using stuff in the future, like how to use different bots, have access to things and different bots. So if you want that stuff, like, subscribe, turn notifications on, obviously. So me and my friend, we have a bot testing server. As you can see here, looking at all our bots. So yeah, so that's what we've been doing here, and so right now we just gotta we're just gonna add a bot to it basically. So we're gonna go so far as we normally do, and so we're just gonna go to Discord bots. Discord bots. There's a lot of terrible bots on Discord, so you just want to find Now see, there's a good bot that I just so we can move this. Music bots. No, we don't have Vexera. So we're gonna go and invite a bot called Vexera, guys. I'm just gonna type that in Safari here. Okay, so we go to, obviously every single bot, guys, is the best, so like don't let that figure out. So you're gonna go add to Discord server. So it might be log in, isn't it? Oh no, it's not gonna make me log in. Okay, we're gonna add to bot testing. Continue, authorize. And it's gonna ask me to do a robot test. Hopefully it just automatically does. Nope. Fire hydrants. Hopefully you don't fail miserably at this. Let's go. I am not a robot. Okay, now we've gotten a text here saying Vexera has joined. Other bot commands and role created Vexera. So we're gonna go. Should we move this again? Up here, because we don't really care. Vexera. Now we need to give it a role. We need to give it a bot role. So we're gonna click here. We're gonna go. I should go music bot because it is a music bot. Yeah. So if you look here, it says playing plus help. Now sometimes that will help you because plus means that is its command, guys. When you want to ask it to do something, you put plus in front of it, then say what you want to say. You're going to have music commands here. So, if say I wanted it to play a song, I'm going to type in plus whatever. But first, guys, you always got to do this. I just remembered. You have to join the general voice chat, guys. General voice chat. You have to join. Have to join. We're just going to start streaming to there because it just hasn't. Interesting. So yeah, we're live on Discord again. So see what you want to play. Let's just go Louder Now by Tobu. You guys want people to hear this, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play it in the background of my video. I know I'm smart, right? plus. Now we're gonna go play. So you always go play. You go space. Hopefully I remember how to use this ball. You go space, and you're gonna type the name of the song. Louder by Tobu. Bang. Okay, now it's playing. So as you can see, so that's how it works basically. So now we're gonna pause it. So we're gonna go pause. So now it's just pause. Now if I go plus play, I can go plus NP, which is an NP player. Plus NP. Hopefully it's a ball player. It has the NP player. Now that's all for this video, guys. Join my Discord server. I will give you a link to it in the description below, guys. Join my Discord server. Subscribe for more. Like this video. Comment below what other Discord things you would like to know. Like I can do real Discord videos. Really want to do in this series of Discord videos. So hopefully you found this helpful. Hopefully I've been helpful for you guys today. And yeah, that's basically all for today's video, guys. And so yeah, I hope I will see you in the next video. And goodbye.